Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Imagine walking into a room where every outfit feels effortlessly elegant, confident and unforgettable. These are the kind of looks that make you feel like the spotlight naturally belongs to you. Today we are exploring some of the most stylish outfit ideas inspired by modern fashion models. From sophisticated silhouettes to beautifully detailed dresses, every look has its own personality. The magic begins with confidence because the right outfit is not just something you wear, it becomes part of your presence. For women in their 30s and 40s, fashion can be both modern and timeless at the same time. A beautifully tailored outfit can instantly create a polished and model-inspired appearance. Think of clean lines, elegant fabrics, and silhouettes that make beautifully as you walk. A sleek midi dresses is one of those styles that can look effortlessly sophisticated without feeling overdone. Add a stylish belt or a refined pair of shoes, and the entire look becomes even more defined. For a more glamorous mood, a flowing maxi dresses can create that beautiful fashion editorial feeling. Soft movements, graceful details, and an elegant silhouette can make a simple look feel incredibly luxurious. When add the colors is chosen thoughtfully, the outfit can become even more eye-catching. Deep jewel tones, soft naturals, rich pastels, and classic shades can each create a completely different mood. Sometimes simplicity is what makes an outfit look truly expensive and sophisticated. A perfectly fitted blazer paired with elegant trousers can create a powerful yet feminine fashion statement. This kind of combination works beautifully for dinner occasions, meetings, events, or stylish city outings. For a more relaxed look, wide leg trousers with a beautifully designed top can feel modern and effortlessly chic. The flowing shape gives the outfit movement while keeping the overall appearance polished. Now imagine adding long jacket over a simple dress or trousers. Suddenly the outfit feels more structured, more fashionable and almost like a look straight from a fashion. Another beautiful option is a statement blouse paired with a tailored pants. Pastel embroidery, ice-inspired textures, subtle sparkles, and graceful draping can add without making the outfit feel too heavy. For evening occasions, a sophisticated gown can create the true model-inspired moment. A flowing silhouettes with beautiful fabrics can make every step look graceful and confident. Sometimes a minimal dress with the right accessories create an even stronger impression. A beautiful handbag, elegant shoes, delicate jewelry, and a polished hairstyle can complete the entire look. The secret is balance. When the outfit already has a strong design, keeping these accessories simple can make the overall style look more refined. And when the outfit is minimal, One statement essay can instantly bring it to life. Fashion is also about expressing with texture, experimenting with textures. Satin, silk like finishes, soft tailoring, textured fabrics, and beautifully structured materials can make an outfit look rich and sophisticated. For daytime elegance, a monochrome outfit can be an amazing choice. Wearing different shades of the same color creates a clean, coordinated appearance that feels effortlessly fashionable. A sophisticated floral, geometric, or artistic prints can bring energy and personality to a simple silhouette. The key is choosing one main statement and allow the rest of the outfit to support it. That is what creates the effortless model inspired effect. Another style that never loses its charm is the classic blazer, whether worn with trousers, jeans, or a dress with a beautifully tailored blazer can instantly elevate the entire outfit. For a modern city look, combine it with straight leg jeans, a refined top, and elegant footwear. So whether you prefer elegant dresses, tailored suits, flowing gowns, wide leg trousers, or modern casual combinations, there is always a way to make your style feel fresh. Because the most stylish outfit is not necessarily the most complicated one. It is the outfit that make you look in the mirror and think, yes, this is exactly my style. So take inspiration from these beautiful fashion ideas, add your own personality, and make every look your own. Remember, true style does not need to shout for attention. Shout for attention. Sometimes elegance simply walks into the room and every notice. Please subscribe my channel, like, share, and comments. And I will see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.